So I cut out a rectangular shape, and then the width for me is my round bust divided by 2 plus 2 inches sewing allowance, and then the length is 7 inches plus 2 inches hemming allowance, that is 9 inches. So I have two fabrics here because I want to make this a reversible crop top. Thus I can wear this either ways, either front or back. It works both ways. So now I'll place this right side facing right side, and I'll go sew on all edges. Once I am done sewing, I'll just go in with my seam ripper and create a channel for me to flip this to the right side from. I'll go in with my iron now because I want to make this flat. I want it to be flat. Right now it looks puffy, so I just want it to be flat before I go ahead and create the channel for the straps. So yeah, after I am done ironing, the channel I created to flip this to the right side from, I'll just go ahead and hem that in. You can either sew or hem, so I will be hemming mine, and then I'll indicate the point that I will be sewing to create the channel for the straps. So what I want to do, the idea is I will sew on this, and because I don't want to fold this, I don't want to hem this by 1/2 inch or 1 inch, I want to just sew on it by 1/2 inch, and then I'll go ahead and open up the edge and pass my strap through. You guys will see, you just get to see. These are the fabrics for the straps. These are all in pieces, so I'll go ahead and join until I'm able to get one long strap. So this is the remaining fabrics from, if you have seen my recent tutorial, you see that I made a 2-piece out of this same fabric. So this is the remaining one, and now it is in pieces. So I am done creating the channel for the straps. I'll go ahead and open this up. Like I said, at the 4 corners of this rectangle, that is where I'll be opening, because I sewed in 1/2 inch already, so this part I'm opening won't really affect. You can go ahead and hem yours to get a channel, but this is how I will be passing my, this is how I created the channel for the straps. So yeah. Once I am certain that my straps can pass through one channel and come out through the other channel, I'll just go ahead and use my safety pin to pin together with the strap, and then pass this through the channel I created. And you guys, that is it for this video. Very easy project, anybody can do this. Like, I mean, anybody can achieve this. Very easy steps and very easy to achieve, so I will advise you try it out. And if you don't like this, probably this is not your style, I think I have something else that might be your style on this channel, so just go check it out and let me know what you think on the comment section. And yeah, if you do like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I appreciate the thumbs up, I really do. So yeah, I would like to see your like. So I have 2 fabrics cut out already for this project, and the length for the smaller fabric is 5 inches, so you go ahead and make it how long you want it, and the length of the longer fabric is 9 inches. So you guys, this fabric is on fold, so that is your round bust, And my round bust is 36, but I minus 4 inches and I got 32 because this fabric is stretchy, so that is why I am using 32. So now I'll just go ahead and hem all edges, both on the longer fabric and on the smaller fabric. I'll hem, and while I am at it, while I'm hemming, I'll just go ahead and create the channel for the straps and also make your straps, and that is it for the top. Very easy, you know, cut out rectangular shape and create channel for the straps and make your straps and pass your straps through the channel you created, and that is it. Very easy project. Thanks for watching.